I'm Muhammad Nazim bin Nazir. So today me and my friend will present about X communication technology to predict potential harm ahead during driving. Okay. For introduction, in the field of vehicle safety, crashworthiness highlight a high level of non-linearity which can be caused by numerous physical phenomena such as the unpredictability of bucking mode of the vehicle structure, the interaction of the engine and other ancillaries in the engine bay, the high strain rate effect of the material. A vehicle contains few hundred components, each having some influence on the vehicle impact response in crash dynamic scenario. This study will look at optimizing a vehicle structure across two disciplines: vehicle safety and ride and handling. The safety assessment will consider frontal pole side impact, while the ride and handling load case will be characterized mainly by a vehicle torsional stiffness requirement. There are obviously more ride and handling parameters to consider. However, in order to illustrate the vehicle optimization process, only these four simultaneous load case will be considered. What is active safety system? Okay, active safety system as a term suggests play a preventive role in mitigating crash and accident by providing advance warning or by providing the driver with additional assistance in for example, is head-up display, anti-lock braking system, electronic stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, lane departure warning system, adaptive cruise control. Okay, passive safety system play a role of limiting or containing the damage caused to driver, passenger and pedestrian in the event of a crash or accident. Airbag, seatbelt, whiplash protection system, common passive safety system deployed in vehicle display. What is automotive IT? Automotive IT is any hardware or software that designs to augment and support the experience of operating a motor vehicle. New improvement and integrations in the automotive technology world are increasingly being implemented as the industry realizes the importance of data to a vehicle operator. Equipping automobile with readily available information means redesign feature ranging from engine system to central console in order to accommodate the evolution. Automotive IT can also involve linking device already in use by a typical user. So for example of automotive IT is autopilot safety mode, charging apparatus, computerized diagnostic, distress button, GPS, hand-free use of device, keyless or remote keyless entry, lane departure detection and more else. So today me and my friend will talk about head-up display. So what is head-up display? Head-up display is show information exactly where you need it directly in the line of sight when you drive. Driver get all the important information such as speed, warning signal, and indicator arrow for navigation without looking down to the instrument cluster or the secondary display. The head-up display is a technology that projects an image onto the vehicle windshield or a panel just beneath the driver line of sight. Although its information tool, it equally a safety feature. It provides a short information but doesn't require the driver to take their eyes off the road. So what will show in heads-up display? For example, vehicle speed limit on each road you drive on, and then engine speed, navigation information, infotainment information, turn signal engagement, battery charge, safety system alert like blind spot monitoring, car system warning light.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nazrin Ibrahim, and I'm gonna continue about Car2X communication. Now I will tell you how the system is working. Car-to-X communication is a vehicular communication system that supports the transfer of information from a vehicle to moving parts of the traffic system that may affect the vehicle and the roadside. The roadside unit are the communicating nodes. Both types of node are dedicated short-range communication device. The SRC works in 5.9 GHz band with bandwidth of 75 MHz and approximate range of 300 meters. The main purpose of car-to-X communication is to improve road safety, energy saving, and traffic efficiency on the roads. In the system, the information travels from the vehicle sensor and other source through high bandwidth, high reliability links, allowing it to communicate with the other car. Infrastructure such as parking space and traffic light and smartphone taxi pedestrian. By sharing this information, such as speed, with other entities around the vehicle, the technology improves the driver awareness of potential danger and help reduce the severity of injuries, road accident fatalities, and collision with other vehicles. The technology also enhances traffic efficiency by warning the driver of upcoming traffic, suggesting alternative route to avoid traffic, and identify available parking space. That's all for me, and we will continue with the next person. Let's go.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Faris Ifan bin Abdul Razak, and I'm going to explain about the advantages. With the help of vehicle-to-X technology, cars can communicate with their surroundings across distance of approximately 1 mile. Here is how it makes driving better. First one is increased traffic safety. Each year, more than 1.2 million people die in traffic accidents worldwide, and most of the accidents are caused by human error. Vehicle-to-X technology helps to reduce the number of deaths by making the invisible visible. An electronic emergency brake light, for example, warns the driver that a vehicle that is nearby but not visible is beginning to brake. V2X can also help to detect road hazards or vulnerable pedestrians and cyclists. Smart cars can brake before human drivers react and alert the vehicles behind them to reduce their speed. Time savings. V2X technology helps optimize traffic flow and reduce traffic congestion. This saves time for everyone. When cars communicate with road signs, traffic lights, other vehicles, and traffic management centers, they automatically know the best route from A to B. For example, traffic lights can tell cars at which speed they have to travel in order to catch the green light. Connected cars can also provide transport authorities with real-time traffic data for better road management and improved infrastructure planning. Money savings. A more efficient, safer transportation system can help to save money. With V2X technology, vehicles can detect congestion-causing factors in advance and react accordingly. Real-time data can be combined with simulation models to optimize routes and make journeys faster and more efficient. Environmental factors. V2X helps lessen the environmental impact of transportation. Platooning, for example, allows self-driving cars or trucks to follow each other with very little distance between the vehicles. This technique can lead to less fuel consumption and CO2 emissions. Cars traveling in free-flow conditions are also use less fuel, so they create fewer emissions. Convenience. With V2X comes a new level of comfort as it allows drivers to see well ahead and sense hazards, traffic jams or roadblocks far beyond the driver's line of sight. This will help to make car travel more fun and convenient than ever before. Real-time map. V2X system provides vehicles with real information for the whole city environment, including infrastructure, other vehicles, transport management systems, navigational sources, etc. It means that drivers will be notified about the position, speed, and direction of other vehicles nearby. They will receive information about traffic accidents or approaching emergency vehicles. Drivers will be notified about vulnerable road users ahead, cyclists or pedestrians, or roadworks, etc. In other words, we can say that V2X will create a real-time map for the vehicle's immediate surroundings. Smart Transportation Management System V2X technology helps with improving transportation management efficiency and reducing congestion. It notifies drivers for upcoming traffic congestions and offers them alternative routes. It enables the communication between vehicles and traffic lights, road signs, or other smart traffic systems. In addition, V2X communication ensures eco-friendly driving that leads to reducing fuel consumption and air pollution. As a result, there is better congestion control and traffic flows are normalized. Especially in hotspots, V2X also provide information for road accidents. Smart parking management V2X and especially vehicle-to-infrastructure system have a big importance for smart parking management in smart cities. Thanks to the V2X technology, vehicles and parking lots will be connected, so drivers will know which parking spaces are available. This smart solution makes parking occupancy tracking easier for parking lot owners and operators. The top locations for smart parking management systems are city on-street parking stocks, railway stations, universities, and off-street parking lots, part of airports and shopping centers, for example. Next is disadvantages. V2X is widely used in several applications in vehicular communication. These applications include traffic safety applications along with infotainment applications that impose drivers' requirements on supporting implementation of V2X in vehicular communication. First one is dynamic network topology. The dynamic nature of the network topology due to mobility in V2X is a major challenge that is difficult to handle, particularly with respect to security frameworks. The vehicles in general move with high velocity, thereby making connection for short durations. So adapting the security features with the quality of communication that is influenced by the high velocity vehicles become a huge task. Network scalability. The V2X technology encompasses a large-scale network of vehicles worldwide. V2X standards, for example, dedicated short-range communication (DSRC), does not need a global authority for governing purpose. The control management of a large network together with the security issues such as certificate exchange, etc., is quite a demanding task to accomplish. The security techniques that need prior information about vehicles Nodes that participate are not appropriate for such networks. Heterogeneity. The heterogeneity of future vehicular networks result out of implementation of various network infrastructures throughout the world. Thereby, the different manufacturers of the vehicles will implement the technologies based on their respective countries' security and privacy policies. So it is quite evident that proper synchronization between the specific security features adopted by the different manufacturers and the V2X technology is hard to achieve. Communication latency. Latency in V2X communication may result out of certain issues such as which information to collect and what to filter, which data should be processed and what should be transmitted and received. Therefore, all the factors that relate to communication latency in V2X should be addressed so that safety and security critical situations are handled in real time. Data priority. The V2X communication network should be able to prioritize data received from hundreds of nodes. The data processing should take into account prioritization, buffering, and queuing techniques for ensuring a robust and efficient data communication link. The data received from security critical sectors must be handled with the highest priority so as to prevent collateral damage in the network. Therefore, data priority must be handled with the highest importance so as to prevent collateral damage in the network. Last one is conclusion. As new technology, V2X not only provide a more comfortable and traffic environment, but also are important for improving traffic efficiency, reducing pollution, and reducing accident rates. The main V2X communication technologies are DSRC and cellular V2X. There are many V2X applications, and the application requirements mainly focus on latency, reliability, and security. Latency or reliability is threatened by the network performance problems and multiple types of malicious attacks. Security faces mobile terminal security threats, V2X service platform security threats, V2X communication security threats, vehicle network data, and privacy threats. Testing is an important part of V2X. And that's all for us today. Thank you.